In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Coinbase to CoinTracker. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your wallets over here on the left, and then you want to add a wallet here on the top right. From here, search for Coinbase. It should be somewhere at the top, so click on Coinbase. And then from here, you have two options. You could either do automatic sync or you could do custom file. So if you have a CSV file from Coinbase, you can go ahead and import it in over here and then click on the import button down here. If you want to know how to get it, it's explained over here into detail. Or the easiest and quickest way is just to use the automatic sync. So just click on continue with Coinbase. It's going to take you to the login page of Coinbase. This is where you basically have to sign into your Coinbase account using your email, password, stuff like that. And after you've done that, you can basically authorize it, and it's going to allow you to directly connect your Coinbase account to CoinTracker and then import your transactions directly inside CoinTracker. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.